best washing machines. One of the major home investments is buying a washing machine. It's a big impact on your home chores and your laundry routine. A durable, high-performing washer makes your laundry chores faster and simpler. But finding the best unit can be tricky. So we're here to assist you to find the ideal one to match your needs, lifestyle, and preference. We feature the best washing machines in the market right now. Each one of them combines an innovative design with smart features to help you clean your dirty clothes, reduce water waste, and conserve energy. You may also check out its portability and compactness if you have a smaller living space. So if you're ready to find out what our top picks are, then let's begin. Taking our top spot is the Frigidaire 4.1 cubic foot top loading washer. It delivers outstanding power to wash your dirty laundry in just one load rather than taking up to 4 loads. It guarantees fresh smelling, clean results while saving energy consumption. To further save energy, choose the Eco Wash option. It features 12 wash cycles to fit all of your washing needs from heavy duty to delicate. The multiple cycle options allow you to customize your chore with hand wash, max fill, or favorite cycle. There's a quick wash mode that lets you fully wash clothes when you're in a hurry. There are 5 soil levels to help you find the right cleaning saturation to achieve your washing goals. For maximum water level and ultimate clean, max fill is your best choice. It has electronic controls that have cycle status lights and a digital readout for easy operation. The glass top provides a view inside and gives the washer a unique, stylish look. It measures 28 by 27 by 44 inches and comes with a spacious stainless steel drum. This durable and reliable washer guarantees consistent, long-lasting performance. It comes with an easy-to-use fabric dispenser that lets you use it at the start of the wash cycle. At number 2 is the KAPAS 2-in-1 fully automatic top-load washer. This wash and spin dry machine has a 1 cubic foot stainless steel drum that can accommodate up to 8 pounds of laundry in a single load. It features selectable programs and customized smart controls that include casual, speedy, strong, standard, air dry, soak, wash, and spin. For rinsing options, you can choose rinse spin or rinse wash. To suit your needs, it offers little, low, medium, and high water levels. The water level controller and the LED indicator make washing mode customization convenient. When washing, place your dirty clothes and washing powder or liquid inside and press your preferred setting to begin the cycle. After completing the wash cycle of your choice, it automatically powers off in 10 minutes. This makes it safe around kids or when you forget to unplug the machine before going out. It comes with a universal 3/4 threaded connector that easily connects to the water faucet. It also is compatible with other drainage solutions like bath, bucket, toilet, or sink. This washer has no heating function and uses air spin dry that dries the clothes about 70 to 80% of the way, so better prep your clothesline to ensure fresh smelling fabric. What do you think about our first 2 machines? If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write them down in the comments. We're happy to read your views and I'll do our best to answer your questions. If you're not yet a member of our friendly community, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new product review. And now let's get back to our list. At number 3 is the Costway Full Automatic Washer Spinner. If you have a limited apartment or dorm space, this mini washing machine is ideal. It's a space saver with maximum weight capacity for washing up to 7.7 pounds of laundry. The honeycomb-shaped inner drum is very durable, accommodating more clothes at a time. The full automatic programming allows easy customization of your laundry needs. You can easily set the washing and spinning mode of your choice. After programming it, you can leave and use your time taking care of other tasks. It has a built-in drain aluminum pump, a drainage tube, and an intake hose. They make adding or removing water more convenient. With 3 water levels to choose from, you get to customize your washing chores. It also helps you save electricity and water consumption. It features an easy-to-use control panel with 5 programs to optimize your selected cycle. The LED display clearly shows the wash and spin controls. Simply press the button to start the cleaning operation. This compact washer is also lightweight, making it easy to move across your home space. A manual with reference weights of clothes is also included in the package to serve as a guide. It's ideal for little and medium weight laundry needs, and no installation is needed to operate. And number 4 is the RCA 3.0 cubic foot washer. This white colored washing machine measures 24 by 24 by 40 inches. It's compact and portable, perfect for a small space. It's reliable standalone washing solution for your laundry chores. With enough space in its stainless steel drum, washing dirty clothes, curtains, bed covers, and other fabrics is easy. It features 8 water levels and 8 wash cycles to make customizing the washing operation simple and quick. With a pulsator wash system, this washer is capable of generating 800 revolutions per minute of optimum spin speed. The LED electronic display control makes the operation or mode customization faster. There's also a delay start option that allows you to set it to a predetermined time or when you're ready to tackle home chores. Placing and removing clothes in the drum is made more convenient by its hinged lid, clear plastic window, and top loading system. It has a quick connect sink adapter for filling water and draining. It also has 2 lift and carry handles on the cabinet sides to help you move the washer in and out of storage. The adjustable leveling feet balance the unit on an uneven surface. It's covered by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Well, we have one more model coming up, but before we get to it, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for instant notification of our newest videos. And now let's check out number 5. Our final pick is the Magic Chef 1.6 cubic foot top load dark gray washer. This sleek and durable unit is designed for small to medium loads. It's engineered to host a variety of great features like electronic controls with an LED display to help you set the right washing cycle. It also brings convenient access to wash options when you want to customize your laundry task. It's perfect and compact for small spaces like dorms, apartments, and condos. There are 6 fully automatic wash cycles that work to provide optimal care for different fabric types. The 3 temperature and 3 water level settings ensure your clothes are thoroughly washed. It delivers remarkable performance with its 3D waterfall and filter components. It's powered by a pulsator system, generating weak and strong water flow for even washing results. At the end of each cycle, it shuts off automatically. This washer features a stainless steel internal tub that's both durable and can withstand constant use. It has a detergent dispenser that eliminates the hassle of adding it manually. The see-through front window allows easy visibility of its contents. There are rear water inlets that maximize the correct amount of water needed to start the operation. It comes with rollers that allow easy movement of the washer. A quick connect kit comes with the unit. The best washing machine can make your laundry chores convenient and quick while ensuring fresh smelling clothes. Our top loading washers can handle light to heavy duty loads. They're great options and provide excellent washing performance. If you like one of the automatic washers we presented, feel free to click the link that'll take you to the product of your choice, where you can enjoy great deals which include discounts and free delivery. If you have any products that you want to see reviewed, leave them in the comment box and we'll do our utmost to grant your wish. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notified when we have a new review, and click the subscribe button to join our community. Thanks for watching us. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.